Welcome, today we're going to show you how to add Visa gift card to Apple Wallet. So the first thing that you need to do is to open Apple Wallet app. So you need to click on it and then you will see this window which is the dashboard of Apple Wallet. So you need to actually go to the plus icon here on the top right and you need to click on it. After that, now you will be prompted to add a type of card, so you can add previous cards, debit or credit card, or transit card. So you can click on debit or credit card from here to add your Visa gift card. Now you will be prompted to choose which bank you actually own the Visa gift card from. So you can choose whatever bank you have the Visa card from, and now you have actually two options. The first option is to just scan the card, so now everything will be automatically scanned, you don't need to write anything. And the second option, as see from here, you can enter the card details manually. You can click on here, and after that, now you can just write your name and the card number, and also you can write the other stuff, so you don't need to scan the card. So if you don't have the card near you now, you can just write it off if you memorize it. And that's it. You have added your Visa gift card to Apple Wallet. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.